The trace view basically shows the trace of the operation flow. These are that took 197 milliseconds. And this is how tracing helped me debug the fetch waterfall that I had in my application. So tracing is not just for fetch waterfalls, it basically lets you see everything that's going on your front end or your back end or your microservices, etc. So you can use it to debug caching issues, to debug race conditions, or any type of bugs that happen on the back end but resurface on the front end. I wrote an article on how to use tracing to identify fetch waterfalls in React, and I'm going to drop a link of it in the comments below. Also, let me know if you want to see more tracing content like this one. Thanks for watching.
Oh wait, hold on. I'm confused. He didn't really tell me much. Was that his tool? But what am I doing? What page did I get that fetch waterfall at? Oh, the buffer's gone. Not only that. The wrong thing. Babies? Hey, baby? Those buns, where are they at? Those bunnies running around my studio. Don't eat my cables, bunny. They eat your cables, man. Oh, if I had known the problems with bunnies, I never ever probably got them. Well, I mean, the one bunny that I got a sweet, I wouldn't have went and got the boy. That was a mistake. I mean, he's cute, but dude, at this point in time, I'd rather eat him. Piece of shit pisses me the fuck off, man. What I gotta do? So, okay. So, where's the, ooh. Damn. Damn. Other people's keyboard shortcuts. I don't even want your keyboard shortcuts, dude. Data fetching. Yeah, they're gonna need to do a suspense, man. So what is this? Let's fetch data. To use is loading. Okay. Well, I mean, that's not too bad, right? Hey, baby. Okay. What did I include? Okay. I don't have anything else in here, so that's probably good. And then maybe I should just look through the whole app for you to explain. I don't know, dude. Well, that's the thing, you know. It's just not hurt to say that it's evil. Oh, wait. Bah. Yeah. Okay, so what am I doing again? Tripping out about the bunny? Trying to chew up my studio? No. Don't chew my studio. I don't know. How do you tell a bunny they're not supposed to be chewing on stuff, though, dude? A lot of that's fine, man. How do people fucking survive? What I do is virtual production usually. I know. Well, I mean, I've never put out a game. I made my own game engine. You know? All right. I don't know what to do. What's this? All right, so where is this? I have to know. I have to be better at this. I can't not know. So what am I doing? And a use effect right here. Huh? Is this my, well, of course, I mean, it has to be this, right? I don't think I want to, oh, wait. I don't think I really want to do that. Well, maybe I just need to not try to load these. So first off, this should not be in the root page. I'm a little bit unhappy with the guy. I took his tutorial on this for CRUD. And, you know, it was an okay tutorial. But yeah, he should have had it better. Should have done it better. Why? I don't even have anything in my view folder. So what is it? Oh, right, because that's, yeah, that makes sense. So there's the other one. What do I need? Like a feed? I don't really. How do you do that? Like, wait. What's that thing with the? I need to do something else. Is it this? Man. Oh, so I'm typing it. This it's a curly colon curly. All right. Okay. I'm sorry. Haven't been programming too much and then stream ID and finish handler. So I just got my props. I like that. I like it better when it's integrated into the language. I don't really want to use your API, but I'll tolerate it when it's built into the language. React's pretty good. So wait, I have a wait feed view. Now what do I do? I think for right away I need to like. Oh yeah, I gotta go eat some food here. I'm gonna go grab the food. So I need to do. So there's a feed. I don't have a normal feed for this. So you know how each person's got their own feed. Like what does a feed view mean? Does that mean like I got like a feed ID? Yeah. What's on there? Chandler. Gotta type it on the one below it. Okay. Feed view. Okay, so I don't really necessarily want to make this. Oops. What am I trying to do? What am I trying to say? Okay, I have to go get my food. I'll be right back. Baby? What's she doing, Buns? Baby? Better not snip my wires, Buns. I totally forgot the bunnies are running around. All right. Time's up, baby. What's going on? That's that one, right? The bunnies are chewing on the cable. God damn it. Why'd I ever get bunnies, dude? You never want to get a video studio and then get bunnies. Oh, they're just so cute. They're just running around. No, they're gonna chew all your shit up, bro. You just bought a video studio. Okay. Well, the bunnies are gonna have to live outside where all the other bunnies live. I don't know what to tell you. Yeah, I need to find some donations for bunny food. Really, I need more money. Damn, dude. I'm being so sloppy about my wires. There's just something like a just not dealing with business, man. All right, so where does this go, though? Um, Call it out, dude. You kind of have to. Yeah. I don't know. What am I doing? What's this Buns over here doing? She's chilling. All these buns. Trying to chew up all my stuff, dude. Oh, I can't afford to have a replace all my stuff, dude. Why did I get bunnies, dude? Oh, dear. Yeah, I really hate how I don't have my countdown timer ready for my thing. I'm using Lua for the countdown timer on screen. And, you know, I'm just haven't gotten around to learning the Python stuff for OBS. Um, doesn't really fit the test very more, though. Sorry, thinking about did a no, but you know I'm secure enough in myself. I know where my heart's at. There's a lot of people that just want to attack people, dude. Okay, so I just really am not happy about what I do like having a little bit of separation. Redirect account, not user. Uh, oh wait. Yeah, dude. Virtual production. My imaginary time. Oh, great. Why don't you learn it the other way first? Yeah. It wouldn't be original. What if your wife sucks? Oh, damn. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. Probably learn to do it a known good way first, right? Not find name stream ID. Uh. Oh. Um. Bunny. Yeah. Even if I ate all the bunnies, it wouldn't even like come close to covering their cost. Uh oh. And then oh, the Emperor wears no clothes. I wonder when I'm gonna get that mic from Amazon. What's that? Is today Sunday? Oh man. Wednesday and Thursday. Oh, I want that mic so bad, dude. I mean, I really like this PreSonus Revelator mic, but I am going with the Revelator IO44, which has 4 inputs and 4 outputs. One mic, preamp, one headset input, which is awesome. I mean, you can't deny that's not awesome. I mean, it's not the best preamp. Well, hold on. It's a good preamp on the headset, but, you know, it's a headset preamp. It's not like a normal mic preamp, which kind of sucks. But it's really small. So, you know, it makes up for it. It's just useful. Nice to have a volume control, dude. This one has a volume control, actually, but there's no screen on the Revelator mic. Revelator IO44 has this little mini screen. And while, you know, it's got some issues, not the best, it works. So what do we have to do? I need to do the suspense. So there's no official API for suspense. It's just like, you just like by default render it. I thought there was like by default render it blank, and then whenever the suspense is done, you replace that with your data. Kind of like that, you know? Not in all cases. But yeah. No, oh no, is it the suspense is that this? So there is actually like a suspense tab? Okay, so this is gonna help you. It's more performant, and it's gonna deal better with the async calls because it's not like the old school way where we just did it by hand, you know? Okay. So no. No. Baby. Oh, baby. Oh, yeah, come on, baby. No, 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 baby, no, 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 baby. Oh, no, 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 baby. Baby. Oh, no, 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 baby. No, baby. No, scratch me, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, you scratched me, baby. Oh, the bum butt scratched me. Remember they're freaking out, man. Like, sometimes it's better to just let them go. Baby. Oh, she scratched me good. Did you get my shirt good? Look at us. Can't really see it. Oh. Oh. Did she get my stomach? Yeah, she got me good. You gotta be careful with those bun buns, man. They scratch. They're not completely defenseless, and you really don't want to get them in a habit of biting. So do I have to import the suspense? Oh, I got big old bunny scratches on me. It hurts. But hey, she was biting the side. There aren't too many times where I'll like pull the bunny out from where they're hiding. If they're like biting on the stuff, you know, I kind of have to stop them. And I know they don't like to get picked up when they're like cornered. And it just doesn't work out good with a bunny, dude. They don't have the ability to defend themselves from predators. You know, they're like a feed animal. They eat grass. Happens with the bunnies, you know? Get scratched. Stream view. Why is this? Why do I want this? Stream view. That's the streams, right? And I don't call it streams view because it's just my preferred database naming thing. But is it consistent though? So I have a feed view. A feed. So what is a feed? A feed is for me. Here's a feed ID. I don't know. Okay. Okay, and then I just gotta wrap the. Oh. Common sense. Yeah, I don't know, man. A lot of people lack common sense, dude. So what do I do? Edit view. Yeah, I could do 2 suspenses here. I could do one for oh. Uh, bowl. No stream ID, huh? Uh, I don't want this right here. This is totally a wildly inappropriate place. Yeah. Well, next time I'm not going to go through somebody else's tutorial because it did not help me. The only thing it did was slow me down, dude. I'm just going to go right to the docs. At least with the error that I made on AppRight's website going through all of the React tutorials, at least I went through all of the tutorials. Right. I mean, I had to strip them out, but, you know, let's hope I remember it, right? Home, and it's supposed to be home view. Oh, dear. Ah. No, I can't have any of this stuff. No more is loading crap, dude. Um, really, I wish that this said home screen. To me, we have a view, which is the same thing as saying it's a component, because, you know, the fact that it's a component model, I mean, why would I name the folder that I put my components in component, which is a very long word, when it doesn't actually do anything to help you out, and it just makes you do extra work, and it's long, so it like is a little bit hard to spot and read, you know, unlike uppercase camel, which works excellent with Chimera case. I've always been liking the Chimera case ever since I started using it. You know what? Only suckers don't like Chimera case, dude. Unfriend me now. Okay, so now what else do I do? Yeah. Yes. Yeah, there's also like death. Yes. When you don't reproduce. What's going on? So this thing, I don't want the be turned to. I think I have to have a div, maybe. Um. Oh. Okay. Turn that. I can't be having any of this crap in here. I can have any of this stuff. Streams, reset. I don't want any of it. I don't have the is loading thing. Oh shoot. I code stream. Whee! Import, baby! Alright, create stream. Okay. Yeah, I definitely don't want to do that. I do not want user server. And there's an error. What does error do? Function. It just goes in over here. Error. I do have error over here, so. Stream view. Wait. Man. This is one. Anything in here that's like doesn't look right? Index to string, that's best. How you want to go about doing that one? I was kind of stoked to use linear ID, but yeah, it doesn't really help me. Oh, I'm not really using anything like it myself that uses linear ID anymore. Hey, there are stupider things. That one's pretty smart. I just not doing anything on 128-bit UIDs. This app right. No. 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 I'm gonna lock you up, Buns, like a Democrat. Locking you Buns up. Lock them Buns up like a Democrat. They good Buns. Oh God, I don't need Buns in my studio all the time. I need to get them out of my studio, dude. There's just so much work to do around here, man. Bunnies take so much work, dude. You know, my cats don't take anywhere near that much work, dude. All right. So what do I do? Okay. What do I do? Well, I mean, the stream ID, I think is going to be either the, I mean, each person is going to have their own string, right? So Okay, so stream view. How does this work? I need one of that toaster app. But I'm just supposed to be logging in. I didn't. So what does this do? You know what? Why is it this way? Huh. Okay. Okay with that one. Error. What do I do if there's an error? Right.
Oh, right.
All right. I gotta hurry up. Ew, excuse me. Excuse me. Oh shoot. It's the 8th. Oh man. No. jQuery non-blocking notifications. How about a React toast? I want hot toast React. Log Rocket's pretty good. What about Next.JS toast? Is that the kind of thing that you would use a toast API for? React hot toast, is that one any good? You probably wouldn't use a toast API on the back end, huh? Oh, strange. Or was better, React hot toast or React toast? Okay. Okay. I really wish I was using PNPM. I'm an old man. Takes me a while to switch, dude. I haven't even tried it once. I just watch my SSD get thrashed and I just like cringe. But I keep going, dude. Kind of like my ex. Yeah, I wish I would have been more selective when I was young. Wish I would have worked out more. And I got to go work out at 5. And then I'm doing my virtual production thing at night. After 5 or music. But I can't do this shit all day anymore. I just don't get as much done, you know. Having a deadline is pretty good, dude. What am I doing? I need to get rid of my old green tech live coding live streams. But I gotta get a new oh, I need a new, what do you call it? I need a new green tech video, yeah. Oops. Yeah. That's so funny. So, oh shoot, somebody's watching. Sorry. Think to myself. Somebody was like calling me out. They were talking about game AI over in Prime's chat, and then the person was like, "Haha, I see you don't even know you're out of your league, different industry." And it's like, I actually use Unreal Engine 5, and I use AI generated art, so it's kind of funny. Well, they took off real quick. Yeah, you got to be real careful about talking to yourself on a live stream. Sometimes though, I'll just be sitting there like thinking about something we were chatting about, and then like start talking about it. Because I actually have an inner monologue, unlike some people who are like NPCs, and so very. Yeah, man, I need an alarm when somebody comes in the live stream, dude. If I'm just sitting there like working all by myself and then somebody comes up into the live stream and I'm talking to myself, it's never good. I'm trying to make a toast. Well, I need to like really the main thing that I need to do is I need to like post my timesheets from the AStartup Mission Control Center to get it into OBS. And so I got to have a server. And so right now I'm trying to get the um uh tutorial code that I copied from this AppWrite tutorial into a suspense boundary so that it won't geek out because like I'm like getting oh, what do you call it? I'm getting a fetch waterfall and it's taken down the database. So like the database isn't even up right now. And so I just made the feed, but the thing is the feed for this is like the live Cody Alliance website. And so like I don't have a normal feed on this because like the way we're doing feeds is with endorsements. So you take somebody's feed and you put it on your profile. So what I need to do is I need to like so I organize my API into 3 folders. You got the view, the shit, and the fuck folder. So the shit is all your like nouns, and then the fuck is all your verbs. Okay. And it's rather entertaining. I personally like it when it's like that because everybody who sees it laughs, and it does add to the thing. So what I need is I need the API endpoint to be able to change what I'm doing on here. So API using the Next.JS app router, the API folder /v1. And then we need to create. So I'm going to need to create a session. And then I need to post to that session. So I'm going to copy this. And then for the session, oops, that was the wrong one, huh? Where is it? Oh, it's in streams. So I need to take this streams and then post it into sessions. Oh wait, I guess I'm tripping. It wasn't there. So I need to take the. Oh shoot, this totally isn't what I was thinking it was. So I should have one that has. There, this one. So move that over there. So session. I need to post. Take streams and replace that with session. And then okay, so the problem is with the AppWrite tutorial, I plugged in the code that was for the server side rendering, and then I just like couldn't get it to work. So then I took the other tutorial that has like one has a sign up page, one has a sign in page, one's for React, one's for Next.js, and then I mixed all the code up, and I haven't been able to get it to work. So this AppWrite code works for fetching a stream. So now I need to take the, oh, I'm not using a lid. Not with AppWrite. So create stream. I need to create a session. Where was this create stream at? And this is in session. Create stream. No, I need the one that's session. And then I'm going to need to take out this lid because with AppWrite, that the lid is for like planet scale. I'm not using planet scale. I'm using AppWrite, and they take care of that. Hey, got 2 viewers. Sweet. That's great. Hold on. Did I mess up? There's nothing about a session in here, is there? I don't see anything about a session. Guess I gotta exit that. So why is this saying this? What is this? Build to... So session, I need a data model for my session. Oh, the AppWrite database is like down because I like did a fetch waterfall, and then I, made like hundreds of calls to the database, and it just like crashed. That's not good. That's only like 200 calls to a database. I'm not sure. This must be a Docker issue. I guess there's nobody watching right now. I'm gonna reboot it real quick because I can't really do anything with the. When the database doesn't respond. Yeah, kind of screwed. It's like, hello. That's frustrating. Session on the client, create, logged in, get. Okay, so that's not what I've. Yeah. So my feed does what? Finally posted. Dude, holy crap. And I can't get Docker to load. I don't know. How do you reset Docker? Oh, wait. Hold on. What am I doing? Oops. That was a security lapse there. Okay, come on. Where is it? Scan them links. Cannot contact site check. What? Check your internet connection. check your internet connection, bruh. No, good to go. Huh? No, I do not want to reset the factory defaults, dude. All right. I guess I'm going to have to reboot this stream. Damn. Well, shit happens. All right, I'll be right back. I can't even get Docker to load. Oh no. Stream finished? That's not the right stream. All right. Damn it. Now I have to get the dev environment back up. Did that even help? All right, so this. And what's going on? I can't load Docker. I just rebooted, so it doesn't appear that. Yeah, it'd be really nice if I could get Docker to work. Nope. When I have to like restart it, man, that totally screws everything up for me, dude. Hyper-V. I can't even get the desktop app. I have virtual CPU virtualization enabled. Yeah. Sorry. Not as entertaining right now because I can't get the database to work, dude. Oh wait, hey, I see the database. I might be being a little bit premature here. Well, as long as I don't have that fetch waterfall, probably be fine. The database is like taking forever to load, though. Unfortunately, it's definitely not usable. So what do I got to do here? I need to post the most important thing that I need to do is I need to like post a session because I need to basically I need OBS to talk to my website because I can't run a Python server in an OBS Python script. And this is causing problems because in Python the web server is blocking. So I can't just take the Chrome extension and then like change all the stuff in OBS so that I could get the the intro screen, so I could like make all this stuff automatic, so I don't have to do all this work. But since the Python server's blocking and then it crashes OBS, now we got to make it talk to the website. So then the website, you post a session. And then the session is going to have a organization, a repo, issue, then we're going to have like a timesheet on it. So we need like a log or something. I'm just going to have that just be a JSON object. We need to like post this session to the Live Coding Alliance website. So then we got to take this data, and then we're going to plug that data in to create session. Take this over here, and then I need that app rack server database. Oh, great. Okay, so we got a little bit of an issue with the tutorials going on. So we got the server-side authentication tutorial. This one, so this code that I got for an API endpoint, I did not get from app, right? I got from some dude on YouTube. And the way that he did it is not going to work because I'm using server-side rendering. So that dude, I'm not sure exactly why he put that in there, but it's the server database. So this is the problem. Oh, what? Shoot. Hate it when that happens. Where'd it go? Oh, keyboard's working. Keeps collapsing that shit. So we'll take that off. And now it's separate this one. I don't really need this. And then I attempt to go to any page. And then probably, you know what? It's probably going to crash over a different reason. Yeah, I'm having issues. The dude who wrote this tutorial that I followed for Next.JS and AppWrite, he really did it bad. He didn't have server-side rendering, and I'm paying the price for it because I can't even have this use server in the. There's like 2 of these AppWrite.ts files. One of them has a use server and one doesn't. And then I'm not allowed to export these because I'm only allowed to export asynchronous functions. Okay. So I'm not sure how I'm supposed to go about doing this. I think, it would make sense for me to move this into a different file because I didn't really know exactly what was going on. So he had one in app, right? Yes. And then try this. I don't know why you would. They're sticking this in here when they're not doing server-side rendering. But then if you're doing server-side rendering, then you got to put the, where is it? The app right somewhere else. So that I know it cannot go there. I also would. I just really wish that I could load Docker. Oh, hey, look, I got the Docker thing up. I just had to start it in admin mode. So that might explain why. Here, let's see. We got Docker. Oh, we got it. Database is back up. Sweet. All right. Maybe Docker wasn't by default set to open as administrator. It has to be. Compatibility run as administrator. I don't know why. But hey. So I got to do huh? Oh, sorry. Like, where'd all this database schema stuff come from? No, I wrote that. Okay, so I completely forgot that I wrote that. So now I have to post the sessions. Create that. Over here, create some attributes. Some attributes. Huh. Wait, hold on. Okay, so I need just a string for the organization. What is it? I don't know, man. An organization longer than 64 characters long for the name kind of seems absurd, but I don't really have any other thing to really. My golden rule is I just do so how many characters is that? That's 40. And then you double it. Okay? That's 40. Or you round it up to the next power of 2. I'm going to round it up to the next power of 2. So now we're going to go to 6, type this in as 63. Okay. How long should the repo name maximum be? I'm going to call it 127. What do we have? There's sessions. Maybe the organizations need to be a GitHub repo or a GitHub organization. What did we say for the repo? Or did we say that that was like nuts? Is this a required thing? Huh. Oh, I don't want this to say session. Okay. Now the other option is I could do like the format like or repo. Doesn't necessarily have to be what I want to do is I want to be able to like provide people with a way to network and to build up a collaboration group. So what I would like to do is I would like so what am I doing? Okay, so why is this? Each user could have multiple profiles. So user has one login that works for both AStartup.net and whatever site. I'm probably gonna shell out the dough for the web domain here pretty soon. So what is a profile? For profiles, you know, like your social media profile, right? But how does this relate to like GitHub? So I have multiple profiles. Each one of them is tied to a GitHub. And then what is it? What else do I have? I have a organization. And this allows you to promote your business on Live Coding Alliance website. And then we tie it, but it has to be tied to a Git repo. So profile, attribute key, in a collection. I'm sorry. What was that one again? One to many. I don't get it. Related collection. Oh, the key in the profile? Hold on. Wait. What am I mapping? Oh dear. Have I just been blindly bringing this thing in? I haven't used the relations. I've been building relations, but apparently didn't put a whole lot of thought into it. No, profiles don't belong to one session. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't want this to be like this. Oops, what the hell? Damn it. And this does what? One too many relationships. Huh? Oh yeah, what am I doing? I'm sorry, I'm being a bozo right now, dude. Like, who the hell is this guy? I listen to this dude. One too many, right? A session can contain many profiles. A profile can belong to one session. No. It just hurts my brain to think about this UML stuff, dude. I used to be diehard pushing for UML, dude, at one point in my life, dude. I'm embarrassed, dude. Some of the things, dude. Some of the things I've supported in my life, like Agile, oh my god. Dude. Saying you're in Agile is almost as bad as saying you're addicted to heroin. Jeez, I mean, you want to get a real quick way for somebody to show you the door, bro. Just tell them you like to do Agile. It's kind of a joke. Not really. Yeah, it's kind of a joke. Everything's kind of a joke, huh? I guess I'm kind of a joke, huh? Oh. What do we got now? Man, I'm gonna have to redo all my relations, dude. They're all whack. Okay, so I don't know if I want to have a database that has every Git repo, do I? What am I even trying to do? That's for the session. I mean, it'd be nice if you could add your own repos. I feel like a little bit like well, if I do add a repo and I let you customize what information you have in there to show the public, I think that we could pull that off. That's not really too much work. Problem is, I don't want to take every single repo off of GitHub. So I got to think about this. First off. So boy, that ends up getting a lot of relations real quick. I don't want to like overload my database, dude. I'm not really too into the exponentially multiplying database connections, dude. Hold on. You can only a session can contain multiple repos, right? I don't want to put the org there. Instead, I'm going to add a repo. Do I need to do that? That doesn't trigger my OCD, dude. Or repo belongs to an organization? Or is a repo belong to a profile? And then I like don't need to deal with the organization at all. Does the organization have like a bunch of profiles in it? Oh, that's a really good question, right? Uh, I don't know if I have a difference between a profile and an organization myself. Personally, I kind of feel like it's a little bit extra work to have to deal with having a profile in an organization. I'm not sure how it would help me to have an organization be different than a profile. Does a profile contain a number of other profiles? An organization contains a profile, right? So when I log in with Kabuki Starship, then I'm gonna have what? Some profiles, and then the profiles does what? When I get contact volunteers, put out a newsletter. I mean that makes sense, right? So our organization has a bunch of profiles. I think each so there's like a user in the user database that has a login. But then there's in AppWrite, there's different collection for each. Well, there's different projects, which are like databases, and then there's different collections, like tables, in a database. So, what does that mean for this? I don't know. I mean, I'm not too opposed to forcing other people to use less than 127 characters or 100 less than 128 characters because the way I look at it, 127 characters is ridiculous for a length of a repo. So name, and then what do I have on my GitHub repo organizations? Yeah, I'm not really actually like very far along with it. I just can't, always switching the back end to whatever latest thing and having anxiety and putting stuff off. It just doesn't work. Wait, so what do we have here? What a description. If I try to change this. Wait. All right. What is it? 350 characters long. That's pretty generous. Description. Okay, so maybe I should add an endorsement. So I got a description. I got a name and then uh gonna be 100 on the length on that. Do I want it to be a handle? Or maybe it needs to be like unique name. Do I need a display name? Maybe I don't need a display name. Description, name, organization. And then I want endorsements. And the endorsement, when you endorse a repo, You're gonna write something about it. I like this. Okay, this sounds great. I don't just want like an array of strings. So what do I need? An endorsement? I might need a table for endorsement, dude. I'm not sure if you want to do an endorsement or a review in this context. What's an endorsement? I'm endorsing this. How is that different than a GitHub star? I mean, that is kind of what you're doing with the GitHub star. Kind of like a like button. Well, I don't really necessarily want you to say bad things about their repo because, like, I mean, the goal here is to get people to like help work for your repo. You know, I'm not trying to like it. This isn't like GitHub review over here. I think I just want positive review. Not like I'm the kind of person that doesn't welcome negative review. It's just, you know, I want to do it. You know, I like the idea of having an endorsement, not just like a review. Because if you just had a review, you'd look at my repos and be like, it's garbage. Right? Really, what you want, what I want is like, I want somebody to endorse my product. I want them to say, I like the idea of this. I like the direction you're going with this, bro. You know, you should check out this repo. Right? But I don't want a bunch of trolls coming along and then just like trash talking your repo and you're like, why am I on this Live Coding Alliance website with all these asshole trolls, right? Right? See? I think I just talked myself into it. So what do you got to do an endorsement? Like, then I would need another collection. Then it's going to need a repo endorsement. A repo endorsement. Right? And then we're going to have a relationship. We're getting married. Profile. Okay. I don't know exactly what's going on with the on deleting a document. I'm gonna have to figure that out. Right. So this is beyond a star. You are endorsing their repo because you want to say something good about the repo. You're not gonna. This isn't like a 5-star review system. All I want to do is just say, you endorse, so there's an affirmation, right? Let's affirmation. The guy. Boy, I'm not used to having like 5 people watch the stream, dude. I need to have that more often, dude. I'll be way more entertaining, man. I'm just like up at my house, just like chilling by myself, you know. So, did I get anybody? Hey, I got 1 subscriber. Woohoo! Yeah. Right on, man. Live Coding Alliance up in the house, bro. So, what is affirm? You're making an affirmation, right? Declaring positively, right? I declare that this is true. I endorse this repo for this reason. All right. Now, I wonder whether or not when you make an endorsement, if you can make tags. I mean, that would be cool. Man, I'm getting all kinds of ideas about this Live Coding Alliance website now. Dude, like how, you know, because like usually you got like a feed that like, you know, you make a post and, you know, maybe there's a video post and there's like a tweet and then maybe there's like a long post or something. Maybe even did an emoji based system or something. You know, that's legit, right? So this one's different because you're making endorsements. You're doing a live coding stream. You endorse someone's stream. So you put that stream on your post. You're going to endorse their repos. And that's what you do on my site. And then you also go star then fork the repo. So yeah, so we'll say it's affirmation. And then we just have a string affirmation. And then the affirmation is going to be what? How big do we want this affirmation to be? What is it? A tweet? Let's say it's a tweet. All right. Well, how long is the tweet? I like it when it's 255. Is that 280? You know, maybe I like 255. 280, that's pretty generous. Can I do an emoji? And how long is an emoji? Oh, these are UTF code. I did not know. I thought there was like a string escape sequence that we did. Yeah, I'll put some emojis on it. I like this idea. I'll throw some emojis up on it. How's the longest, what's the longest emoji length? I'm seeing something like, like we got a profile image, we got an endorsement, we got maybe the date when they made the endorsement. Then we got some emojis, and there was 5 stars. Maybe we'll do 7. Okay, but you get 7 emojis. Are they optional? Required? It'll say they're not. They're optional. So we just got a profile, an affirmation, and emojis, and then whatever stuff that comes with the table. All right. Then we got the wait. So what is this? Chimera case for the win. All right. What else do we need to know for a maybe a chat group? So what have we got? Maybe we can ask questions. Yeah, let's add an asking questions. So there'll be maybe let's say a tutors. Let's call them tutors. I like this already. I love everything about this website. This is just one of my favorite projects I have put together so far. Repo contain many tutors. Each tutor can belong to one repo. That was a many to many, right? Tutors belong to many repos. I don't understand why it says. I mean, I understand UML, right? But like, it seems like it overcomplicates things. Tutors. I just don't understand why that's there. I mean, tutors can belong to one repo. And then, um, I think I'm gonna make all these lower snake case because looking at what I just did with that, it's just this is Chimera. You don't like Chimera, you can go home. We go hard or we go home, bro. I don't have a lot of time. I gotta get it done quicker. Do I want to do that? Let me think about this for a second. Okay. Yeah, I think I just do that. That's the name of the data model, so it's going to be lower snake case and Chimera. I think this is okay. Now, the problem with Chimera sometimes is that in some languages it's just not so good. This is pretty good though, because it just ends up being like a JavaScript object, and this is just a name, and so all the names are, they're not immutable because the object can change. So therefore it's a lower snake case. Complaint motion, organization, flag. What we do? There's tutors that you can ask questions to. And then what are their viewers? Maybe there's admin for a repo. Wait. Oh, what about the reviewers, right? So if I want to sign up to do a code review, then I would want to have another relation. To profile. One to many. And then okay, so what's going on here? I don't like doing this kind of stuff without documenting it a little bit better, but I think, this is pretty basic. So we have a repo organization. Here's a bunch of repos. The repo's got a description. The name is the unique ID. There's no like display name and then a handle. It's just the name. There's no spaces allowed. Got a bunch of repo endorsements, and this is its own database column. I mean, not column. Collection. Just got there's a person who made the repo endorsement. There's an affirmation. And they get 7 emojis to throw on the bottom because I'm generous, right? I'm obsessed with I mean, I could have done 3. 3 emojis. Is that okay? Seven's just too much. Here, let's do 3. Because what am I thinking about? We gotta save, conserve space. I mean, I would personally like to put in infinite emojis personally, but that doesn't really work. All right. So a reviewer is a list of people who are interested in doing code reviews for a specific repo. Viewers are people who are viewing the repo and they want to get updates. Tutors are people who, like, if you ask a question about a repo, they're going to be getting the question. What about an admin for a repo? Is there an admin? I mean, I would imagine there'd be an admin. I wish they had proper UML notation here. Oh. Okay, so there's admin. Do we need anything else? So repo, should it have repo should have an image, right? You know, we could actually just help them with their icons, store the icons, right? Maybe. Because what if we you upload a, let's say 1024 by 1024 icon to us, and then we make that go down? I don't know. Let's do a URL for an icon. Wait. Can I just store an image in here? Oh, come on. You can't store an image. IP address, URL. So I'm gonna go grab some ice cream real quick. Because I'm gonna fall asleep, dude. And then I don't have a whole lot of time left right now. So Mm-hmm. All right. Icon. Would be really nice if I could just store an icon in the database. Hmm. Preview image. Do we have to have a preview image? Sure. Let's just automatically generate one for him. Do I really want to do extra work? And then we need a. I think we need a. Where's the date? Maybe I want to call this the birth date. No! Damn you. I hate that they can't do that. I don't have any data in the stupid database at all. Why can't you just zap the thing and start over? Because you don't want that behavior in there. And it all, that's legit. Date founded. I don't really want that. Say that. I'm going to say birthday. So what do I want to do? I want to spotlight your repo when you have a birthday. And a repo. Um, damn, dude, this database schema is getting pretty big already, dude. Maybe I need a repo update. I don't want like every issue ticket in here. That's just not what this is for. This is for like networking. You care about specific issues. So I feel like need a new collection. That's repo updates or repo update. Relationship to the repo. Wait. Repo update. Repo mission. So a mission is essentially a video. What is an update? An update could be a mission. An update could be projects closed notification. Update could be so let's say an update is still an issue ticket, right? But there's an update and then there's a mission, right? Not every issue is a mission. A mission is Like, I don't have any work to do, and I'm going over to the mission board to grab a mission to do on the mission board. Yeah, I like my definitions. I think personally the way that I define things is very logical, and I like the way it works. I mean, you know, but I'm biased. I'm sorry. But I don't dunk on people's code too much unless it's just bozo, bro. Because sometimes, man, oh my god. But hey, man, I got plenty of bozo code. I just don't like put my name behind that, you know? Some of the code I'm proud of. I put my name behind it, dude. Oh shoot, I forgot to show the bun cam when I did that. I'm supposed to when I give them the treats. You know? Gotta give them the bun cam, because the bun cam is the fun cam, remember? Yeah, until the bunny scratched me, man. Like this. That was Sugar earlier. She didn't want to get picked up, huh? Yeah, she's pretty cute. She's Flemish Rex bunny. You could see the Flemish and the Rex in her. Yeah, man, I got a lot of bunnies, dude. Okay, so I got a repo, an issue. What do I want? A title. And where I usually go, I prefer just to be like even binary numbers, because the length of this stuff just isn't going to matter that much. 100, I don't like that. An update. Well, it's not going to matter. I mean, that's the length of a YouTube title. Yeah, but why does that have to be the length of an update? Required. Update. And then and then what do we do? The update. Repo update. Body. 1023. Wait. Not every post has an image, right? Does it have multiple? I'm okay with an update just having one image. You got a body, you got a title, there's an issue number, track it to your repo. Okay. Okay. That's all I want on this. So a repo update is going to be different than what? A mission? Don't you go on a mission and then... So you are a person with a GitHub account and then you go on a mission. So what do? You can work on multiple Git repos? Or is it the repos are... Or the missions are a part of the Git repo? Who goes on a mission? Well, it's like each of my repos had like... It's like I need an issue ticket to go on a mission. There's a bunch of missions. And so you, as a person, you have missions that you go on where you might be working on multiple Git repos. Oh, no, that's a session. Right. Right. Because it's always been that way. All right. Okay. We got a repo update. Now what do we got to do? All right, so what's next? So still streaming. Yeah, still streaming. Hey man, I haven't had anybody watching my live cut stream in a while, so I put a little bit of thought into it. I'll be more entertaining. Where was this? In live view stream? Sorry, live. Did I say live? Oops. Says API. Okay, so the session. Now I need to go back to my AppWrite database and go back to the session. Ooh, don't really have a lot. So what do we do? All right. Wait. All right. Running out of time. Only got an hour left. So session. And then what is it? I have like the focus. Hmm. Why can't I just get the current time, dude? All right, I'm gonna end the stream, dude.